Wondering who you can claim as a dependent on your taxes? You're not alone. This is a top tax question for many taxpayers and an area where deductions and credits are often missed. We're here to break down who may qualify as a dependent. To get started, a dependent must be your qualifying child or qualifying relative and be a U.S. citizen, U.S. resident alien, U.S. national or resident of Canada and meet specific requirements in order for you to claim them. If your child checks all of the following boxes, you can claim them as a dependent. They must be your child, adopted child, foster child, brother or sister, or a descendant of one of these. They must have the same residence as you for more than half the year. They must be under age 19 or under 24 and full-time student for at least 5 months. However, if they are totally and permanently disabled, they can be any age. They must not have provided more than half of their own support during the year. The child cannot file a joint tax return for the year unless it is to claim a tax refund for federal taxes withheld or estimated taxes paid. If your relative fits all of the following criteria, you can claim them as a dependent on your taxes. They cannot be the qualifying child of another taxpayer or your qualifying child. They must have earned less than $4,300 in 2020. You must provide more than half of their total support for the year. This person must live with you all year as a member of your household or be related to you. Some taxpayers may be surprised to learn they can claim a boyfriend, girlfriend, domestic partner, or friend as a qualifying relative. If your significant other fits all of the following criteria, you might be able to claim them as a dependent, but note that this may vary by state law. They must be a member of your household for the entire year. They must have a relationship with you that doesn't violate the law. For example, you cannot still be married to someone else. They must meet all other criteria for qualifying relatives. Now that you understand tax-dependent laws, TurboTax can help you claim some credits or deductions for your dependent that can help you get a larger tax refund this year.